Hello, it's Dr. Nicola here, the face of Natura, which is a 100% natural, vegan-friendly and cruelty-free products range. And of course, I have another demonstration video for you. This time we are talking the roll-on aromatherapy. They're so convenient and easy to use, whether you're out and about or at home. They come in these little glass bottles here. This one I have is relaxing. It's my favourite, this one. I just love it. Just open it and smelling it. Oh, it's like a wave of calming and soothing oils. And you can see at the top there's this little roller ball, and as it says, we just roll it on. For each one, depending on whether you have one for headaches or one for focus, there are different areas of the body, different pulse points in which to use it. I'll just demonstrate for this one. I like to put it on my wrists here. I also sometimes use it as just a perfume just because it smells really, really nice. Around my neck here, and sometimes on my temples. And that's essentially it. And you can smell it. Your entire face and area is just enveloped with this soothing odour of essential oils, and they do work really, really well. Oh, I could just sit and smell this one all day. And I have 9 available in the Natura range, so go and check them out and see which one you might need help with. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. I'm always available to answer your questions. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and I shall see you for the next video. Bye bye.